So, Richard, what you doing today?
Well, we're trying to complete the hardest part of this project,
Yes.
which is putting the plastic on for
Yep.
the greenhouse.
Yes.
This is our 40-foot by 20-foot greenhouse, and
He put, what do you call that? What do you call those things?
there's a French drain, or actually a rock drain, along each side.
Yep. See that? You see
Because
that
we're
over there?
in a lowland, not necessarily a lowland, we're in a low area.
Yeah.
I'm worried about the snow coming off the hill.
Because it's kind of on an incline over here, so.
Yep. So I put this barrier of rocks right here. These are all rocks that I dug out of the trench area here. Thank goodness there were enough of them.
Yes.
But in case as the snow melts, it'll come underneath and it'll be picked up by most of it by the rock drain.
Exactly.
But anyway, aside from that,
I'm so happy it's up.
putting plastic on today.
Yeah.
That is
A big project that we can complete.
Now we're nearing the end.
Yes.
Of this project.
And this is going to be strictly all for tomatoes next year, because the tomatoes don't do too hot over here. So we're going to go ahead and condition the.
I'm so excited that the plastic came.
Yep.
And it's very square.
Yep.
And it's going to make this project a lot easier.
Well, we're going to let you know where we got this plastic, and they're really good with us. It is Greenhouse Megastore. So if anybody wants plastic or any kind of great customer service, give them a call. It's Greenhouse Megastore online.
Next part of the project is putting it down, sealing it up.
Sealing it up, and then doing the sides, and yep. It's so
be
nice.
at this for about I'll be at this for about the next 4 or 5 hours. Putting this plastic on.
Yeah. How nice is that? I always love looking inside once the plastic is on, so I'll continue this when we get to that point. So God is good.
All the time, my love.
All the time. Ciao. Okay guys, this is it. This is my 40-foot greenhouse. How cool is that? We are done. It is done. Okay, it's raining, but this is the end result before the snow comes in of my greenhouse, my new one. This is, let's get inside because it's raining. There's the inside. Let's check the outside. He put in French drains all the way around it. Beautiful. We'll go inside, check it out. It's pouring. We have a back vent there. We'll be putting in vents alongside the walls here eventually to finish this up. But as you can tell, it's raining. This is my ground cloth, which I plan on putting in here. What you see on the ground right now is lime, garden lime, and fertilizer. And I'll be coming in here sometime this week and turning this up a little bit, and then I'm going to be raking it flat and then putting my cloth in right in here, and this will be all ready for next spring. I plan on doing, I believe I figured this out, about 15 plants on this side, 15 plants on this side, 15 straight down the middle. And we're gonna have a drip system in here. So this is gonna be awesome. Out here is gonna be potatoes, squashes, pumpkins, corn, and I think that's it for now, but I'm gonna plant a whole slew of stuff for my pigs. So a lot of squashes, so I can store those up in the garage during the winter. So that's the plan. Yeah. And that's been fertilized out here. And I also put garden lime in that. And it just needs to be turned up once we get dried up a little bit. My husband can come out and turn it over with the tractor. That's it. Rainy day. Project's done out here. And I can't be more happier. It's massive, really. So, kudos to my husband. He's so remarkable. Here's the French drain down this way again. French drain. Yeah. Right now he's putting up security cameras for the pigs. And he's going to be running electric line for the pigs too. So, more later. That's that project. Yee-hoo! So today I'm here in a greenhouse and I'm going to be turning over the dirt, the soil in here. First I have to level it out, but let me show you what I'm going to do here. I'll go over here. So we have a couple mounds here that are a little bit higher, and I'm going to level that out so it goes up against the walls back here. So that's what I'm going to do, obviously with this, but I did buy this, and it does that, which is nice. It goes quite a ways down. It's pretty beefy. Got it from Amazon. Pretty heavy, and it does a good job. So let's get going, because I want to get the fabric down and call it good, because the snow has come and it's ready to set in. More in a minute. Okay, and I just finished the ground prep. I got 1/2 down loosely. I didn't pin it down yet. We'll staple these in the spring after we lay the drip strips down. And other than that, this is done for the winter. So, project completed. Yahoo! And so that is the greenhouse project. Complete, done. Thanks for tuning in. Ciao.